Anin Buju. Today is Thursday, September 3rd. And the COVID updates for the counties. And Aiken County, yesterday was 51, and today it's 52. Crow Wing, 315 yesterday, today 320. Mille, 104 yesterday, 105 today. Pine County, 157 yesterday, and today 158. So you can see that they are continuing to increase in our different areas that we live in. And our statistics are basically the same. On District 1, 10 positive. 1, the tracing has started on that positive case. District 2, 3 confirmed cases, and no one's in quarantine at this time. In District 3, 1 confirmed case, and they're still in quarantine. So on Tuesday, September 8th, the Band Assembly will host the swearing in of myself, Chief Executive, and Virgil Wynn, District 1 Representative. That will be at 10 a.m. in the Band Assembly chambers, and they're going to do that by Zoom as well. Because of the social distancing, that it's not going to be the big celebration that we don't normally have. And as we're talking about the new position of the Chief Executive, when COVID started, I furloughed 80% of my staff. And today we will have, today and going forward, we will have a staff person in the office every single day. So if you have to call and stop by, somebody will be here. And I come in normally on a regular basis, but the door has been shut, and we do have people that are answering the phones. Band Assembly meeting was yesterday, and signed into law today, Title 25, the leasing of trust lands, and this has to do with leases and the Bureau of Indian Affairs and how we conduct business here for home ownership on leased lands. So if you're interested in the bill, you can go on the legislative website. I'm assuming that's up there. And again, just wanted to make sure that I remind you about the mortgage rent help. I talk about that. I talked about it yesterday. And again, if you need assistance with the mortgage, rent, and your taxes and things that are associated with home ownership, you can go to the ANGI program and they can assist you with that. For Health and Human Services in the new clinic, they have hired screeners. So when you go to the clinic, the Health and Human Services building, that you will be greeted by either Bobby Sam, Michael Wade, or Matt Thurston, and they will help you get to the place you need to go. I was there this week to the dental office, and so it was nice to have somebody walk me to there so I know where I was going. Also, they have a new addiction medicine physician, and we want to say welcome to Dr. Michelle O'Brien, and that position is a family physician who specializes in addiction medicine and has many years of experience working with women, pregnant women, and others with addiction issues. And so if we have family or friends that could use this assistance, please refer them to there. Today, as a reminder, there is the Deer Hunter Workshop from 2 to 4 p.m. at the Powell Grounds. And of course, we talked about the education opening up, and so we'll find out how the new guidelines are going to work for education. With that, we'll talk to you again soon. Miigwech.